Meaning of embroil.
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 Embroil. The verb embroil means to involve someone or something in a difficult, complicated, or unpleasant situation. When someone or something becomes embroiled, it often means they are caught up in a mess or conflict that can be difficult to resolve. The result of being embroiled may include negative consequences such as damage to reputation, legal or financial troubles, or strained relationships. It is important to be cautious and avoid becoming embroiled in situations that could cause harm or create unnecessary difficulties.